Found ORI files alongside your modified documents or system files? These are original file backups, safety copies preserved before modifications were applied. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore from these backup files. Consider this your first line of defense. A universal viewer bypasses many common ORI Windows errors. This is my personal favorite utility for this task, and I will be discussing it soon. ORI files are backup copies of original files created before modifications were applied by software update tools, configuration editors, or patching utilities. They store the unmodified version of a file, enabling restoration to the pre-change state if modifications cause problems or need to be reversed. ORI backup files are exact copies of the original file with the ORI extension appended, or replacing the original extension. The file content format and structure are identical to the original file. No additional compression, encryption, or metadata wrapping is applied to the backup copy. The primary software for ORI is recognized as generic file renaming, developed by operating system utility. Windows only supports a simple read mode, not the dedicated analysis this file needs. Windows can't interpret proprietary backup schemes, so viewing content requires matching software. To find the correct opener, right-click the ORI file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with generic file renaming first. If it's not present, select a different program and keep testing. If the ORI file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here is a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, restoring original files. To restore the original file, simply rename the ORI file back to its original extension. Remove the ORI suffix and replace with the correct original extension. The restored file is identical to the pre-modification version and should function exactly as it did before changes were applied. Next, identifying the original format. If you are unsure of the correct extension, examine the ORI file content. Open in a hex editor to check the file header magic bytes, which identify the format. Common ORI backups include configuration files, ini XML system files, DLL-XC, and document files that were modified by update processes. Finally, managing backup copies. After confirming that modified files work correctly, ORI backups can be safely deleted to free disk space. If you prefer to keep safety copies, move ORI files to a dedicated backup directory. Maintain organized records of which ORI files correspond to which modifications for systematic rollback capability. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.